What's up, everybody? This is Chad Henry here again for you at Holiday Motors. Today with this 2007 Toyota Tundra that we just recently took in on trade. 2007 with just 2 owners and 33 service history records on the Carfax. The truck's in extremely good shape and super low miles. This truck only has 108,000 miles on it, which is awesome for a 2007. Body and paint in really good shape. And it had a set of old crusty chrome rims on it, and we couldn't have that, so we added the brand new set of 20x10 fuel wheels to it. I think those are called the Siege, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, we'll get on to the inside of the truck. Really clean interior, non-smoker, power windows and locks, of course. Power tilt, cruise control, power driver's seat. Seat's in really good shape. Has a little bit of wear right here, which I'm going to have my guy come by and tighten that up, make it last a little bit longer. But all the rest of it is in super shape. Cold AC, clean headliner evening, and tons of room in the back here. Really comfortable interior. But it's here, it's ready. It's at Holiday Motors at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Online at www.holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Right here since 1974. We've got tons of great financing options. Warranty included. We can help with shipping arrangements, top dollar for your trade, and we can even bring it to you for a no obligation test drive if you are here in our local area. So again, call or text us 757-487-7333. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to meeting you.